Law enforcement sources telling ABC News that prosecutors have interviewed a number of Sean Diddy Combs' accusers, including those who have filed civil lawsuits against the hip-hop mogul. Sources also saying that federal agents seized computers and other electronic devices during searches of his homes here in Los Angeles and in Miami as well. Allegedly, they were looking for things like photos, videos, and other evidence that might corroborate the accusers' claims here. An attorney for Diddy calling the searches a witch hunt, saying that his client is innocent and will continue to...
Law enforcement sources have revealed to ABC News that prosecutors have interviewed several of Sean Diddy Combs' accusers, including those involved in civil lawsuits against the hip-hop icon. In addition, federal agents have conducted searches at Diddy's residences in Los Angeles and Miami.
Combs, also known as Diddy, HSI is on the scene right now. We also in Los Angeles. HSI Los Angeles is on scene there, and you can see it is a big scene outside of this big home. We're told that this is a breaking situation. We don't have any word if there's an arrest that's imminent, but you can see heavily armed vehicles and officers and agents are outside the home right now.
Seizing computers and other electronic devices to uncover evidence, including photos and videos, that might substantiate the accuser's claims. Diddy's attorney has denounced these actions, characterizing them as a witch hunt and asserting Diddy's innocence, pledging that he will continue to fight. These searches have reignited interest in previous allegations against Diddy, including lawsuits alleging sex trafficking and abuse, underscoring the possibility that he may not evade scrutiny this time. For years, Diddy's alleged crimes have flown under the radar, but the FBI appears committed to ensuring he faces justice.
What happens here is that the federal government started a case with him. Apparently the search warrant that had his houses in Miami and LA was pre-planned already. They knew they were going to do that. So they have a much bigger case. Right now with the guns, they're going to check them, they're going to trace them, see if they were used in any crimes. They're going to go over anything about cooperators that are cooperating with them. They're going to be talking to a lot of people about certain criminal acts that he might have committed, and then go from there.
And what about the videos?
Well, they're going to sift through those videos. They're going to look at them and then see if there's any criminality on those videos, and then they'll go from there.
So what do you think? I mean, it just seems like the house of cards might fall for Diddy right now.
It's not looking that great. Right now, I know that he has higher powered attorneys, and with all these allegations that are coming out against him and against other people, a lot of people are starting to be very nervous about what's going on.
This investigation has led to significant developments, including the discovery of weapons and videos at his residences, intensifying suspicions about Diddy's involvement in illegal activities. Diddy's recent legal woes have resurfaced troubling aspects of his past, with critics and former associates bringing to light the darker side of his career. A pivotal development in this unfolding narrative is Cassie's lawsuit against Diddy.
You gotta look at that interview that Jonathan Odie did, bro. He said,
hip-hop agenda is to move drugs all over the United States. They move all the dope in private jets. Inside the United States, okay, they move what's called high-grade powder, and they move coke, and they move liquid cocaine in the bottles too. I've seen the liquid cocaine, I've drank it myself, having sex with Diddy and Cassie.
That was more damaging than Cassie. The DEA wasn't involved in this. It was the FBI and the Homeland Security, basically. That's because of the sex trafficking thing. But if they find any of that stuff in any one of his houses, there's a problem. Even if they find illegal guns, if they find any kind of drug, a high amount, coke and weed, I don't think Diddy gonna get charged because what he did. He put everything in his kid's name and his company.
Which led to renewed allegations of sex trafficking and other crimes. This civil case quickly transitioned into a criminal investigation, culminating in federal raids on Diddy's homes in Los Angeles and Miami. During these raids, investigators aimed to uncover evidence of sex trafficking, firearms violations, and other criminal activities. Legal experts warn that if Diddy is convicted, he could face decades in prison, potentially spending the rest of his life behind bars. The scandal has drawn comparisons to other high-profile cases, including those of Jeffrey Epstein and R. Kelly, with multiple victims spanning various jurisdictions. As the investigation unfolds, the severity of Diddy's alleged crimes, ranging from sex trafficking to abuse, has painted a grim picture, leading to speculation that he may face life imprisonment. Diddy's recent legal challenges have revealed further disturbing details about his behavior, including allegations of drug trafficking and recording people without their consent. The investigation, led by the FBI and Homeland Security, has uncovered a potential web of crimes, from sex trafficking to drug-related offenses. The case's scope extends beyond Diddy, with rumors suggesting he may implicate others to protect himself. Witnesses have come forward, recounting troubling experiences at parties where Diddy allegedly pressured people to drink and do drugs, then exploited and recorded them without consent. Despite Diddy's denials and assertions of innocence,
is Diddy going to jail or not?
I think he's going to jail. I'm sorry. I don't wish jail on nobody. I don't wish jail on nobody. But the crimes that they allegedly said he's done.
If he's done,
you think he's innocent?
Under
the prison.
If they have unreasonable doubt, bro, I just don't like the fact that I be feeling like all the black figures, like the real figures, you know what I mean? They be getting arrested, bro.
That's true. That's true.
You got the Cosby. The Cosby's.
Vince McMahon on the run right now too.
He is?
Yeah, why you think he ain't got
what are you doing?
Vince McMahon is going through the same heat, bro.
Experts emphasize that his actions warrant serious scrutiny, with some suggesting he may face substantial prison time. This case has ignited broader discussions about holding influential figures accountable, particularly in the entertainment industry. Authorities continue to investigate Diddy's past and present conduct, with resurfacing videos revealing troubling behavior. Additionally, Diddy's son, Christian, has faced allegations of assault, hinting at a generational pattern of misconduct. Further examination of Diddy's tumultuous past reveals not only questionable behavior, but also peculiar dynamics within his family. A story emerges about Diddy's relationship with his mother and former bodyguard Jean Deal, who alleges that Diddy's mother made sexual advances towards him, leading to his dismissal. Deal also highlights Diddy's strained relationship with his mother, pointing to frequent disrespect and tension. This broader narrative portrays a complex web of interpersonal conflicts, questionable behavior, and legal troubles, encompassing both Diddy's professional and personal life. The case's implications extend beyond Diddy, touching upon various facets of the entertainment industry and societal norms, particularly concerning the accountability of influential figures. This culminates in an exploration of how Diddy's family's dynamics and past misconduct contribute to the broader legal and moral scrutiny he now faces. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe, and check out the next video.